Hey everyone, Richard here. I'm out here at the middle of nowhere, somewhere. I've gone to a new place in this is Cyberjaya, but it's some new forest I'm trying to get into. Hopefully to get some macro. But this time round, I've got the Canon R8 with the RF 1.4 times teleconverter mounted to the adapter, and the plane goes pass by when you're talking, right? So anyway, but I'm using the EF 100mm f2 lens. This is a portrait lens, it's not a macro lens. And then I've got this raynox 250 in front, and I haven't taken out the cap yet. So I'm gonna do macro with this lens, and we'll see how the photos come out. Good thing about using this lens is you can use autofocus. And I've tried, the autofocus tracking works with this lens, even for bugs. Okay, that's the beetle there. As you can see, the tracking does work. Right, it's very hard to focus. Yeah. Tracking works. So you can use autofocus with this if you don't want to use manual. That's the advantage of using autofocus. You just track on and then you get a sharper shot without worrying about manually focusing. You see, the autofocus tracking does get the eye of the spider. That's a really tiny guy. That's how the full size is, right? There's a box on it, and that's the spider there, very tiny little guy. The thing about using the animal tracking autofocus is it latches on to ants or any insects that has the eyes in front, right? Easily. It's no difficulty. You look at that, and it latches is on right in front there. Wow, there's a beautiful dragonfly here. I'm walking inside this area. Hopefully I can get out. It's a hidden area. I saw a squirrel jumping around inside here. Gave me a scare. I thought it was some monkeys. That's the plane, and this is the place I'm in. There's an opening here now. I can hear birds around, but oh, there's a bee as well. So I'm getting eaten by the mosquitoes. My weekly blood donation to nature. Got this cute little caterpillar trying to climb itself up. Look at that. That's it. I hope you can focus. Yeah, that's the caterpillar trying to climb itself up. Oh, this is quite nice. Can be a campsite here. Right? Beautiful. Yeah, but I'm getting eaten alive by the mosquitoes. It's like in the middle of somewhere. Look at that. Beautiful. Like, look at that. Right. Oh, but I'm getting eaten by the mosquitoes. Yeah, it'll be a nice campsite here actually. Oh, there's some movement there. Could be a squirrel. Let's switch it back. Yeah, maybe a squirrel. I don't think there's monkeys here. Hopefully not.
So this little guy wanted to bite my neck or my ear where my cap is, and I think he sunk it into my cap and got stuck there. Yeah, then gave me a good shot. I was wondering why so many ants running up me. This is an ant house. It's like a ketupat, look at that. The whole thing is all ants inside there with the queen, I think, inside there. So this is a ketupat ant house. Hope you like the photo on the video I tried out with this lens, which is the EF 100mm f2 lens. It's a portrait lens with the Raynox 250 in front with the RF 1.4x teleconverter on the Canon R8. And the plane is passing by again. So I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!